So hi guys, this is Famous Desserts View, your favorite baker girl. Today we're going to be baking together in just 45 seconds my super amazing vanilla buttermilk cake recipe. I already listed all the ingredients and the measurements in my description in the video, just so to make this easier and faster, okay, for you to actually view the full video on the step-by-step guide on how to achieve this amazing cake recipe with no hitch or flaws or mistakes. You need to go to my YouTube channel right now and view the complete video on how I took my time to explain in details. Try it out guys today and let me have your feedbacks. Hi guys, so this is Famous Dessert View. So once upon a time I always had the opinion that a good strawberry cake recipe had to be a vanilla based cake that had a little bit of color and then a little bit of strawberry flavor. But trust me guys, this is the game changer. This right here is the truth. Look at it very well. It contains actual strawberry liqueur as well as heavy cream, and it's actually 100%.